Morning, students. So in the previous class, we were seeing about the atomic spectra, and in that we have seen emission spectra and the types of emission spectra, where we got that to know that the emission spectra is of two types, that is continuous spectra and line spectra. And today we are going to learn about the line spectra of hydrogen. So basically, what happens when radiations are when radiations are light is passed through the atom of hydrogen, it will gain, and the electron present in it will gain energy. And what after gaining energy, they go to the higher energy levels. You can see here, suppose the electron was in the first level and it gained energy and goes to the sixth level or the seventh level. Okay. And uh, and uh, this higher, as soon as they move to the higher energy level, that is called as the excited state. And the excited state is unstable state, and to gain stability, what they will do, they will emit energy in the form of radiation and fall back to the lower energy level. Okay. And these radiations which are emitted when they are passed through the prism and obtained on a photographic plate, you can see a corresponding line on the uh, photographic plate, and that particular line is called as a spectral lines. Okay. So after studying the emission spectra of hydrogen, various lines were obtained, and these lines were separated into various types, like that is Lyman series, Balmer series, Pascal, bracket, and Fun series, depending upon the excited state and the ground state in which it is falling back. Okay, like suppose if it is a Lyman series, the so if it is a Lyman series, that means here the value of n1 will be 1. That is, it is falling back to the first level. You can see here from the diagram, it's very clear. Whether it is in the seventh or sixth or fifth or fourth or third or second, they are falling back into the first. So if it is a Lyman series, that means they are coming to the ground state is for them is 1. If it is it's a Balmer series, they are coming back to the second level. And if it is a Pascal series, they are coming to the third level. If it is a bracket series, they are coming to the fourth level. And if it is a Fund series, they are coming back to the fifth level. Okay. So on that basis, we are getting the value of n1 and n2. Okay. So that n1 means the level in which they are coming back, n2 means the higher energy level, where after gaining energy the electron might have went. Okay. So for the Lyman series, the n1 value is 1, Balmer 2, Pascal 3, bracket 4, and Fun series 5. Okay. And all of this particular series of lines fall in a different regions, like Lyman series falls in the ultraviolet region, Balmer series falls in the visible region, Pascal falls in the infrared, bracket falls in the infrared, and Fund falls in the IR region. Okay. And if there is a mnemonic to learn this particular uh, series, and this particular series of spectral lines in sequence, you can see here that mnemonic is mentioned here. If you are not if you are learning this particular using this mnemonic, the study of this n1 or n2 values will become easier for you. Okay. So this way you can learn. Now this was about the what introduction to the line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay, so we got to know that that the spectral lines, were the spectral lines which we are getting in the spectrum of hydrogen, line spectrum of hydrogen, are corresponding to a particular wavelength of light. Okay, so we can calculate the wavelength by the using this formula, that is 1 by lambda is equal to r upon n2 final, n square final, minus n upon minus 1 upon n square initial. Okay. And if it is a hydrogen like particle, you have to multiply it with the z square, where z is the atomic number of the element, and r is a Rydberg constant. Value is 1.0974 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. Okay. And you can also calculate the value of the wave number by this. Okay. And you here the same it is there, uh, that is RH upon RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square it is centimeter inverse. RH is RH, if it you are taking in the centimeters, it will become 1 lakh 96,777 per centimeter. Okay, this is the Rydberg constant value in the centimeter inverse. Where now how to know the N1 and N2 value? If you're confused, if it, you basically you should not be confused for the Lyman series, Balmer series, because if it is a spectra of hydrogen, because each for Lyman, Balmer, Pascal, Bracken full series, the N1 value is fixed, so you should not be confused. But even then, so if you are confused that which value should be placed for N1 or N2, or which value should be taken for final or initial, so just for that, if you are talking about emission spectra, the N initial value will be greater than the N final. And if you're talking about the absorption spectra, the N final value will be greater than the N initial. Okay, now let's see a numerical related to it. Now there's a here in this particular numerical, it is asked what is the wavelength of the light emitted when the electron in a hydrogen atom undergoes transition from the energy level with n is equal to 4 to energy level n is equal to 2, and what is the color corresponding to this particular wavelength. Okay, so what it is there, when we are talking about this, uh, here you can see, here it is, they are talking about the spectra of emission spectra of hydrogen. Okay, they are talking about the emission spectra of hydrogen, and here the electron is coming from n1, n is equal to 4 to n is equal to, that means the ground state is n is equal to 2, and if it is and the ground state is n is equal to 2, that means they are talking about the Balmer series. Okay, clear, they are talking about the Balmer series. And according to that, if we are placing the wave number formula, you can take the Rydberg constant value here in the centimeter inverse also, or you can take in the meter inverse also. Okay, here I am taking in the centimeter inverse. And since it is a emission spectra, and you know that n initial value will be, that means that n to n final will be greater than the uh, or n2 will be greater than the what, n1. That's why here 4 will be, then n is equal to 4 will be in place of n2, and n1 is will be placed in the place of 2 will be placed in the place of n1. By substituting all the values, you will get the value as 4800 4 sorry, my mistake, 4 not 4486